Today we are not going to work on any data or this part of the Excel where we have the data. We are going to learn something very basic even before working on data. You must be seeing that my menu options are minimized and I have just a small tiny little bar here having a lot of options within. So why is it so? If I want, I can bring it back to the usual look. So for example, I will click home and I will go to this arrow on the right hand top corner and always show ribbon. Okay, so this is what we are more familiar to. But what it does is it basically reduces the space that you can look at once. And of course, if I can bring whatever I use on daily basis into a shorter one single menu bar, then why do I need it, right? Okay, so if you see this bar, which is something I'm looking at below the usual menu bar, this we call customize quick access toolbar. Now how you can create this customized bar? So first of all, you need to find out what all menu options you use on a regular basis. List down all those options, categorize them, and then come to this step of creating your own bar. Once you have that, come here. Generally this bar you will find towards the top of your sheet. I have kept it towards the bottom, but this option, irrespective of that, you will get. Open this particular arrow and you will get towards the end more commands. Click this more commands option and you will get a dialog box which will help you in customizing this quick access toolbar. So whatever you have to find and put into this toolbar, you can select on the left hand side to add. If there is something in your bar which you don't want anymore, you can select it and do remove, and finally give it a shape. You might be seeing this separators also in between. This is because I wanted them to be grouped like that. So this separator you can add, which is here on the top, and add and then adjust also. So for example, this separator I can adjust by moving it up or moving it down so that these buttons are appearing in my toolbar grouped accordingly. More you can explore by yourself and find out what all you can do by using this quick access bar, and then in the end get rid of this big menu bar. Keep a one very effective quick access bar with you, and this helps in one more aspect, that all the menu options which might be distributed across different menu bars and all the time you are looking for them, you don't have to do it anymore because all of those options are at one place for you in this quick access bar. I hope you like this particular solution. For that, like this video. I'm sure your friends will be in need of the same, so share the video with your friends also so that their productivity is also increasing at the same time. And don't forget to follow the channel because there will be more and more interesting items being shared here. Thank you.